you've been feeling a little bit tired, quieter, or just not yourself lately, you're not imagining it. The winter solstice, the shortest day and the longest night, always finds a way of slowing everything down. So, in this video, I want to share 3 simple things that I like to do on the night of the solstice. It's nothing complicated, just 3 simple rituals that help me feel a little bit more grounded, a little less guilty, and a whole lot more calm during these cold winter months. On the winter solstice, lighting a candle honors the return of the light, not as a celebration of more doing, but as a quiet reminder that warmth and brightness are slowly making their way back. This small flame becomes a symbol of patience. Before the light begins, winter invites us to set some things down, like old expectations, heavy thoughts, or rhythms that no longer feel aligned. The solstice can act as that threshold, a moment to release without urgency, knowing that making your space peaceful is just as important as setting the intention itself. So sit with yourself, even just for a moment. Write it down and release what no longer serves. Winter really encourages us to care for our bodies a little differently, to choose warmth over rushing, choose rest over pushing through, and to choose simple nourishment without the pressure to do more. It's in these small moments of caring that I am reminded that tending to my body gently is also a way of listening to it, and an essential part of honoring the day without any guilt. Thank you so much for spending this quiet moment with me. I'll see you soon.